So in this video, we'll be doing a week analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 20 to 24th March 2023. Now gold on a weekly time frame from a higher time frame point of view has been moving in respect to this huge bullish run that it started all the way from here to come all the way, make a retest on this key level, found some resistance over here, and it decided to go for some deeper pullback and came all the way down here, found its support and started to face this huge price rejection and continued to push up with this huge bullish momentum, even making a breakout of its previous high that it made over here, closing this week with this bullish engulfing candle above this key level or this previous high over here. Now this kind of movement is an indication of gold is done with its pullback, continuing its bullish run that it started all the way from here. Now if that's the case and gold does continue to push up with further bullish momentum, then gold might continue to push up towards the next obvious key level, which is right around here, or all the way towards these highs over here. However, if gold does go for some pullback, since it did not go for any, if it does go for some small pullback, then this is the key level where we expect gold to make some small pullback at, or any of the key level that you might see on a shorter time frame. Now if we go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see the pretty much the same scenario that we just talked about on the weekly time frame. And since there's too much momentum over here, it's hard for us to locate some support or resistance zone for us to expect where gold might be making some pullback, or when to expect some pullback, or when to expect a continuation move of this bullish momentum. So let's go to even shorter time frame. Let's break the chart into even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. Now in this 4-hour time frame, we can obviously see the same key levels, support and resistance zone that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. Along with that, we can also see some more support zones right around here and here with multiple retest points, as you can see over here. So after the week opens, we will give this a bit of time for gold to form some sort of structure over here, to form some sort of swing highs and lows, and with that it to be creating some sort of structure, and then we can start to look for trades after the break and close below or above that structure. And so let's say in such scenario we see gold starting to create some swing highs and lows, creating some structure on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes time frame, and then we will mark some support and resistance zone of that structure on a 30 minutes time frame. And then if we see gold making a break and close below that structure, then we can expect gold to go for some pullback, and in that case we would expect gold to make some pullback towards this first key level, which has multiple retest points that you can also see on the daily time frame. And if we see gold even making a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum, that's when we can start to look for further short trades on gold, expecting gold to be making some deeper pullback towards this next key zone over here with multiple retest points. Similarly, we start to see the same thing happening over here and here if it continues to break and close below such support zone. That's how we're gonna be looking for trades on the short side, expecting gold making some pullback over here. However, if we see gold after creating such a structure making a break and close above that structure swing high with further bullish momentum, then we can start to look for trades on the long side, hoping gold to continue this bullish run towards the next possible key level, which is right around here at this key level, which has again multiple retest points on the daily time frame, or all the way towards these key levels over here. So let's wait for some sort of swing highs and lows or some sort of structure to be formed. Let's give it some time and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side, depending on which direction that the breakout does happen. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and levels are. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.